restarting my dead Amazon affiliate account from zero. Can I actually make money in 30 days, or will this be a flop too? My Amazon Associates account is completely neglected. I've made maybe $1 or $2 in the last month, but here's what's crazy. People are making $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 per month on Amazon affiliates. So I'm gonna do a 30-day challenge starting right now. And if you wanna follow along and build your own affiliate income, hit subscribe. I'm documenting everything with complete transparency. I started my account in 2023, and this was the 2024 profit. I made very little, so I refocused my effort on other incomes and abandoned this Amazon Associates account. It's a classic mistake, but Amazon is pushing for more associates and often run incentives that offer higher commissions, easier approval, and new tools. Plus, they just announced they're having their Amazon Prime Day coming up, so I thought this was the best time to put some effort into this. Plus, uploading these videos prior to Q4 could give me a huge advantage for Q4 sales. So here's the challenge. Let's start small and see if we can go to $100 in 30 days. Let's find out. But first, let's understand your options because Amazon isn't the only way. One way is content-based, so you have blogs, YouTube, social media, kind of like what we're doing now. You have product review sites, you can do deep dives on specific products. You can do coupons and deal sites, which offer quick conversions and volume play. Or you can do paid advertising, which is advanced and it usually needs a budget. I break down all 4 types in my free affiliate marketing guide on my website. If you want a full breakdown, head over and download it for free. Each has pros and cons, but here's why I'm choosing Amazon Associates for this challenge. 3 reasons why Amazon is perfect for beginners. Trust. People already buy from Amazon daily. 2, there's anything and everything that you could possibly sell. There are literally millions of products to promote. And 3, the 24-hour cookie. If they click on your video, anything they buy in that 24-hour window, you get a commission for. And yeah, commissions are lower than other programs. They're usually between 1 and 10%, depending on the category, but the conversion rate is insane. People trust that buy button. Plus, I'm starting from scratch to prove that anyone can do this. Let me show you the exact setup. It usually takes around 10 minutes. So the first thing you do is go to Amazon Associates and you click sign up. Use your existing Amazon account and enter in all of your social media handles that you can, including any website or any additional information that you have. You'll complete your profile and you'll be completely honest with the amount of traffic that you get. You'll enter your tax information and your payment information. Then if you get approved instantly, the real work begins. Sometimes Amazon takes 1 to 3 days to review your application, sometimes longer. So here's what I would do if you are stuck in that situation. While you're waiting for approval, film all the products that you can. You can use your phone, some natural lighting, and just keep it real and keep it simple. You can even batch create, which is filming 10 to 15 product reviews and create a backlog. So that way when you are approved, you're ready to start uploading. You don't need fancy equipment. Your phone is enough. Prop it against books, film it in front of a window, and then you're done. And don't sleep on your account. As soon as you're approved, make sure you start uploading videos. You need 3 sales in 180 days to keep your account active. That's why having content ready means you can hit the ground running. Another program under Amazon is the Amazon Influencer Program. Apply to the Amazon Influencer Program because after you're accepted, your videos can end up inside the product listing on Amazon. And this is called on-site commissions. And when Amazon features your video inside the product listings, like under the images or in the related video carousels, you can earn commissions when somebody watches your video and buys. You're not just sending traffic to Amazon, now your content lives on Amazon. So how do you get into this? You need to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. It's completely free. First thing you'll do is you'll start filming authentic, helpful videos, and then you'll upload them through your Amazon Influencer dashboard. If your video is good and relevant, Amazon automatically places it where it can convert best, and that's the magic of on-site. And if you stick around in this series, I'll show you how I find winning products that have been right under your nose this whole time. Before I show you exactly how to find products that convert, a quick reminder, subscribe and hit the bell, and every Friday, I'll show you what's working, what's failing, and exactly how much has been made. Now let's find some profitable products. Forget promoting random products. Here's my proven formula, PAID, problem-solving products. Above $20. higher commissions. In demand, you can check bestsellers. You can show the benefits. Here's the proven hack that nobody talks about. You already own the products that you can promote. Look around right now. That coffee maker, your phone case, that desk lamp, check if they're on Amazon. Even better, go to your orders, every single thing that you've bought, potential content. You already know if it's good or trash. So then you'll go on Amazon and find it, and boom, there you can review it. And here's the genius part. You don't need to buy anything new. Just film what you already have with your phone. Amazon makes this stupid simple with SiteStripe. You'll find your product, you'll click text in SiteStripe, you'll copy your unique link, and that's it. Pro tip, if you use a short link option, it's cleaner for social media. Here's exactly what I'm creating this week, all filmed on my phone. I'll create items that I've owned for 2+ years, and are they still worth it? I'll test products against their biggest complaints, and I'll answer a question about different products. If you need to do a content calendar, you can do Monday for kitchen gadgets, Wednesday for accessories, Friday for home organization products. You can film everything now, waiting for approval, and stack that content. And if you want to know exactly what to say in your videos, the reviews will tell you everything. So go look at the questions. Does this work for iPhone 15? How long does the battery last? Is this worth the price? How heavy is this? How big is this? Check for 1 to 3-star reviews, and that'll tell you everything you need to know about answering the concerns. Did it break after 2 months? Is it smaller than expected? Is it a difficult setup? Address all of those in your video. You're literally answering what people want to know, and this is how you create content that converts and how people will click on your video. I'm going to try to film as many products as possible, say 10, then I'm going to double down on what's converting. Then I'm going to scale. Here are the rules I'm going to try to follow. I'm going to find as many products around the house to film and review. I'm going to show you what I focused on for the concerns, and I'm going to document my results. I'm going to track everything: views, clicks, conversions, commissions, full transparency. Look, I just gave you exact blueprint for making money on Amazon. Most people will watch this and do nothing. Your action steps today: sign up for Amazon Associates, find 5 products using my paid formula, create your first piece of content this week. If you need help, drop a comment with the product you're reviewing first, and I can help you come up with some ideas. Bonus points if it's something random that you've had forever. Subscribe now, and next Friday I'll show you my first week's results and what products converted and exactly how much I made. And 1 year from now, you'll either have a profitable affiliate business, or you'll still be watching videos wishing you started. The account setup takes 10 minutes. What's your excuse? Let's get paid.